In the dynamic landscape of India's financial markets, the Nifty has consistently outperformed expectations. But as investors look ahead at the risks and opportunities in 2024, the question among investors is whether the Nifty can surpass 24,000 in 2024. Our next report tells you more. Take a look.
The Nifty 50 is India's largest benchmark index by market cap. It is often considered the barometer for the Indian economy. And just like India's resilient economy, the benchmark index has remained resilient despite global headwinds. And now a confluence of favorable factors put 24K in sight for the Nifty in 2024. The global economic backdrop is favorable for India's equity markets. Global interest rate cuts have set the stage for emerging markets and India. With its promising growth prospects, stands to benefit from an influx of capital seeking higher returns. Domestically, an anticipation surrounds the general elections in 2024, with indicators suggesting a potential victory for Prime Minister Modi. The triumph in key states not only strengthens its party's political standing, but also raises expectations for continued economic reforms, fostering a positive sentiment among investors. Economic fundamentals contribute to the optimistic outlook. India's successful management of inflation, which now consistently hovers within the Reserve Bank of India's 2 to 6% target range, in a testament to the country's economic resilience. This achievement not only adds stability to the financial environment, but also positions India as an attractive destination for both domestic and foreign investments. Furthermore, the country's strategic positioning as an alternative to China in the global supply chain dynamics bolsters its economic prospects. Brokerage firms including JP Morgan, echoing a bullish stance on India, underscore the confidence in the nation's economic trajectory. However, amidst the optimism, risks loom on the horizon. Geopolitical tensions and global headwinds could introduce volatility, impacting investor confidence and potentially impede the Nifty's upward trajectory. As we navigate through 2024, the Nifty's journey towards the 24,000 mark is intricately tied to India's political and economic developments. While the positive indicators are compelling, investors must remain vigilant, recognizing potential risks. India's key emergence as a global economic powerhouse hinges not only on its strengths, but also on the ability to navigate challenges in this ever-evolving financial landscape. Bureau Report WION World is One.
And the Nifty 50, like we were talking about, it's India's largest benchmark index by market cap, and it is often considered the barometer of the Indian economy. The global economic backdrop is extremely favorable for India's equity markets, and global rate cuts has rather set the stage for emerging markets and also India with its promising growth prospects, which stands to benefit from an influx of capital seeking higher returns. But the bigger question right now here is that with the Nifty, which has consistently outperformed expectations, the investors are now looking ahead at the risks and opportunities in 2024, with the major pertinent question being is that among investors especially is whether the Nifty can surpass 24,000 in 2024. And with this question, there's also, amidst the optimism, risks also loom on the horizon. Geopolitical tensions and global headwinds could introduce fluctuations right now, and that could impact investor confidence and potentially impede the Nifty's upward trajectory at the moment. But as we navigate through this year, the Nifty's journey towards the 24,000 mark is tied to India's political and economic growth as well. And while there are positive indicators which are compelling, investors must remain vigilant and they should recognize potential risks